How to find friends on Weverse. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about finding friends on Weverse. So you need to first log into your Weverse account. So open the Weverse app and log into your account, and you need an account to connect with others. So you can go to DM in the bottom of the screen and then tap on the user ad icon in the top right. Then enter the artist name or any team or community that you'd like to join over here. The process works for finding both peers and idol fans as well. And you can also tap on the correct name to go to their profile. And there you will be able to see their posts, comments, and follow their activity as well. You can also visit their profiles by tapping on the user's comment or post within the artist community as well. On their profile, you can tap on the follow button to receive updates. And if the add friend option is available, use it to share a post, interact more directly, or chat via direct message. DM availability depends on your settings and theirs. And return to your friends or following list to manage the profiles that you follow. Weverse does not have a friends suggestion feature, so follow active users in your fandom, like found in the comments under the artist post, to discover and connect with others. Engage in artist communities by commenting, liking, and posting to help others find you. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.